Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. So today is a Friday. As you know, in Jamaica, Friday and Thursday is market day. So we're going to the market. It's Jam Tours. I have to go to a branch, the hospital that we go here, Alkaline, to get a hemoglobin test. And also we actually said she wanted to eat some Indian food today, so we're gonna check that out at Surrey Center. So we're gonna go to the market. Today is actually Friday. In Jamaica I would say Friday is the money day.
Okay. That's when the bank accounts become loaded.
Friday is just like, if you're a business owner, you get to see everything that you make for the week.
Tell me to wash the car and do it clean. I've got rinse. You want to try what? I do my thing.
Let me do my thing.
Please do your thing.
Do your thing, let me do your thing. Yeah, family, so let's go. It's gonna take you along all the stops we're gonna make. It's a Friday, so I wanna take you along with all the stops that we're gonna make on the road today. So we're driving out now. Let's go. So we actually meet the end of the road. So when you're going to the market here, it's good to have cash.
Yeah, because
so I'll have to go to the M-Pesa shop now and withdraw. Maybe I can make them put the gas one time, not true?
Yeah.
While I withdraw.
Alright, go and withdraw for you as you put the gas.
Oh yeah, you could do that. So the place is right there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go and put some gas here, family.
Let
at
me
the gas station.
Let me come out.
I'll put like maybe 3,000. I'm gonna put the gas first and then we come back and then withdraw. Right? Yeah, family, so we're actually putting in the gas and 3,000. L for tattoo.
Yeah. Next time you tell them there's tattoo, there's moja. Moja is? Moja is?
L for moja. 1,000.
Good.
Alright, family, so the gas. You don't like the smell of the gas?
Also, these are not pregnant. Right?
Yeah, family. So we're actually getting some gas. We pull up this field that I bred is like 5,000 shillings, right? Less than.
It depends. Okay, the last time we were at in Mombasa, fuel had not really hiked, so I don't know. Last time, the last time we filled with 4.5.
4.5. Yeah.
And it's quite some time.
Maybe that's like
So maybe
30 US.
Yeah.
Maybe like 35 US to full this right now, family.
That's
It's like the loading up. It's a lot in it. 3,000. Yeah, family. So.
Like it's been good for they cannot add for somebody at least for 2 shillings.
Put it in, sweetie.
Right. You might remember. I hope that's the correct thing.
Decline. Hey families, I'm at the M-Pesa shop. Can I withdraw 5,500 please? Withdraw agent's number 1154. Yeah, family. So as you can see, M-Pesa is like a mobile bank. Thank you. Yeah, family. So this is the money, cash money for the market. So let's go, family. As I said before, when you go into the market, you see you carry the banana.
Yeah.
When you go into the market, you need to have cash, family, because paying with M-Pesa is like the charge is gonna be so much to pay because you're not buying from one person.
Imagine sending to everybody.
So it's best you have cash, family. So you know, I mean, M-Pesa is really convenient. You know, if you just want to pay one time, but to pay over and over multiple persons, the small charges will add up, family. One cocoa full basket.
You can end up using like 300. Because like sending 2,000 is 33 shillings. You want to send 1,000, you want to send 500.
Yeah, family. So we decided to each time we're going to the market to withdraw, and I said M-Pesa is very nice. Because the money is on your mobile phone. You don't need cash. It's Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. Continue watching the video. We're gonna head to the market. We're gonna head to get some food. We're gonna come back and go to the hospital at the branch at our location to get the hemoglobin test done.
We'll do it here.
Yeah.
On camera. So we're going to the market.
So you want to just up over there and do it? Well, I feel that makes sense.
I don't know why I love the main Aga Khan.
Alright, family, so we're just gonna go to the main hospital because it's opposite the hospital. So we're just gonna opposite the market. So we're just gonna stop. You're full.
Until I can't go.
Yeah, family, welcome to the market. So we normally go to our favorite spot.
Yeah.
We normally go where this light pole is.
It's called that city light.
A city light, or is that? I think it's a light. There's a light up top there.
Yeah, it's lights like the whole time.
Yeah,
The whole market.
yeah. That's where we always normally enter.
Today you want to talk
So what we're gonna do is enter from there,
back then,
and then we'll have to go to the hospital from there.
back then we used to enter.
Hospital is right over there, family. That's the hospital.
Back then we used to enter.
That's the hospital there. That's the hospital.
That man that we cannot eat from there.
Oh,
That man.
which man?
Baby, at the hotel.
What he said?
No. Like the way he's saying, oh, I'm humble and stuff. You know, some people maybe they feel.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
So it's not really a big deal.
Ah.
The fish was so fresh.
Yeah.
Not like that we buy.
Yeah. So you need somebody to carry a trolley, right?
You want Uber?
Uber.
You want Uber?
Eh?
You want Uber?
Yeah, make him
Yes,
come.
I don't know, I'm laughing.
Let's wait for him here, sweetie.
Let me see it.
Eh? I want to see the other guy we I'm going to use. Let's wait for him here, sweetie.
Okay.
Yeah, family, so when you come to the
He
market,
came without a trolley.
when I'm vlogging, I normally use somebody to carry the stuff. So let's wait for him while we go. Eh? It's alright. Don't think it's doing nothing, sweetie. Eh? It's wet? Right, sweet. Sweet. It's not in the bag, sweetie. So Miss Jam Tours want them to wipe.
That's why I went to wash it.
Oh, you had been to the car?
Yeah.
Sawa.
Shukuru sawa.
Ni maji ilikuwa nayo lakini
iko
sawa.
sawa, iko sawa.
Iko sawa. Iko bien.
Get a watermelon. Watermelon, nice. Yeah. This is how we do. I've got the scars to show. Yes, boss. How much per hand?
Yes.
How much?
150 a dozen.
Let me have let me have 2 dozen. This one here.
This one and this one.
And this one. This one. How much on that one?
Yes.
How much?
This one.
Okay,
150.
okay, okay.
Hallelujah, anatoka lemuno.
I've got the scars to show. Watermelon.
Give me.
It's nice, it's sweet.
Yeah, very sweet. Oh, tip.
Sasa mkuja haraka, tunachukua milia.
Watermelon sweet. B. Today we're going next. Pumpkin where are we going?
Down.
Yeah, pumpkin already. What do you want?
Just one.
Just one? We need like 2 more. Traffic blocking. Get the coconut from that stuff. Not here.
Maybe this is our guy. I wish we got it. Have I painted myself lipstick? I hope no.
Yeah.
I haven't. We just get to be up one.
Yeah. Knock, knock, knocking on Evan's door. Knock, knock, knocking. Hmm? Nah. Like this one.
No, le voy a tirar un poco de aquí. Vos tire. Na oko mtako kama oko mtako kwa ulimi. Yana hapo.
Call this arrow roots. Yeah.
Right, people here.
Hmm?
She's number one to say look Ethiopian.
Oh.
I'm speaking to her. No. Serious. They want yoga. She didn't know you can speak Kikuyu.
Oh my girl, this.
Male mega mashauri. Ndio idoze. Utike mwana.
Huh?
Yeah, the Uber guy.
Yeah.
Dinatwa.
Not Babylon.
Not my woman. That's nice one.
Which one?
The one there next to me.
Maybe I'll just drink one coconut water then. Long in Babylon. Aye. Long in Babylon. Yeah, me jelly man, what go on? We don't want the buckle today, I just want, just give me 2 to drink.
2 to drink.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we stop at the jelly corner, get some cold jelly coconut.
Nice, yeah?
Yeah, man. Nice jelly water. B, you want? You don't. She don't want. Let me drink this one. She don't want. Full.
One bottle.
Yeah, man. Done. No, we don't want the buckle.
Yeah? Bottle.
No buckle today. Give me the meat from this one.
Okay.
Meat. Yeah. Ja. Rastafari. Getting the jelly meat. The only meat we eat is jelly meat. Yeah. B, get a few lime. Lime. We have some already, we'll get a little to add. We have some already, we get a little. Not much. Yeah.
Go on, you know. Hey. Aye.
This jam towards getting lime there. Getting lime. Yeah, man, thank you. How much?
140.
140. Sweetie, give me 140. 140 for this. Finish?
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on, respect. Thank you. Huh?
Offer the coconut.
Yeah, and that's it.
Go this way for the coconut.
Yeah. You want it?
Coconut.
No, I mean if you want the meat.
Yeah. Far away. Asa, they're not sure.
Respect.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you need. This one good? Yeah. Eh? 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 Well, it depends, is you know it, not me. It look good. Oh, it look good? Well, I guess we can get it from Vincent. Right there. Vida na duga tabuga kami na Babylon. Eh?
They look scattered.
Eh. Eh?
We have a red one in the house.
Yeah, fam, so we're getting dry coconut. Yeah, this look nice. Eh? Oh, that's how you take it, test it. That's how you test it, family. Okay.
Right.
Yeah, well dry. Don't want that one. That one not good. How about this one?
How many pieces?
We have like 5 pieces.
Already.
Eh?
6.
It's not.
5.
Yeah, is there 5? How about this one? This one is. How much? 80 for one. Okay. Take 5 piece, sweetie. 80 a piece.
80 a piece. So 400.
Eh?
400.
Okay. Yeah. Wholesaler, yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's run and go on. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours and the carry guy gone to a wholesaler to get the bell pepper and tomatoes. So I'm just here waiting on them. And this is our produce, family. This is what we got. Market. That's the market inside, as you can see. Yeah, fams, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like, share, and comment. Let me know your thoughts on this vlog. Let me know the comments in the comments box. We want to see you in the comments box. Let us know your thoughts. Your heart. One love. God bless. Jamaica. Yeah, family, so we actually had the hospital now, Miss Jam Tour, to take this small little blood test. We're going to phlebotomy to get the blood test done. It's the evening time. I think it's the first time we ever came to the hospital.
We've never come at this hour.
At this hour. One can go around this man.
Of course you can. He's not moving. I've had a text on my phone.
Okay, he was waiting for this parking.
Oh, he's... Oh. Make him go on.
Yes. I'll get parking in. I'm sure it's in the evening time, so we should get parking.
We'll still get it downtown. Hey, there's a small mouse here. Don't say there's parking. I don't somebody, somebody.
Reach out and touch somebody.
And then I'm full. I don't feel like walking for long.
Walking all that way.
Yeah, I'm so full.
Alright, family, so let's continue with us while we go to get this blood. It's a blood check or blood test.
They're going to milk my blood.
Alright, let's go. Yeah, family. So this is the end of this vlog. I want you to like, share, and comment. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Miss Jam Tour is going to use the bathroom, so I'm just waiting on her, and then we'll go, family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, coming to you live from Kenya, Nairobi. This is the Alkaline University Hospital. This is what it looks like. Alkaline University Hospital of Nairobi. Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment. We are out. One love. God bless.